I have tried so many breast pumps that were considered to be top of the line, hospital grade. This hands-free pump by Annabella is absolutely, positively top of the line, hospital grade. It works so well. It works better than any pump I have tried so far. Okay, it has a unique design. Okay, you can measure to make sure you get the right fit, adjust your fit. It comes with detailed directions. Make sure you read the directions. I'll quickly show you how you cut it on. Just press this button here on this side. It needs to be charged, but once it's charged, make sure you take it off the charger for it to work. Turn it on, okay? Once it comes on, it's going to start to stimulate. You press that and it starts to do the stimulation, the massage, and then it'll go on for 2 minutes, and it automatically switches to the suction mode. You press this and it simulates the baby's tongue, okay? This feature works so well. The whole design works so well. I get so much more milk than I was getting before in less time, so I highly recommend this pump.